So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna first off, you're gonna put the car in drive, and you wanna turn off the traction control, which is in this car. Hit this button once until it pops out DTC, and keeps holding it until it pops up this sign over here. It means DSC is out of work. I don't know. It's dynamic systematic control. I don't know what it is. I'll search it up later. And here's what you're gonna do. I prefer to put it in drive, or first gear. Both works. First gear is gonna generate more, more spinning. So here's what you want to do. You're gonna put the left feet slightly on the gas. No, slightly on the brake, and the right feet slightly on the gas. Raises the RPM slowly. And I'll put that later. I really swear to God, that bitch been looking at me for the whole motherfucking time. Look at her. Rip.